presented on import, export, logistics, and shipments, and things to consider such as entry into the US, entry ex-US. I talked about kind of the ABCs of a shipment, from documentation you need to provide to challenges I've seen in the supply chain as you're going through distribution, and kind of watch outs for people to think about. I think time to execute a trial is getting really quick, and there's a lot of barriers in place to import into the US before you have an IND filed. So we talked a little bit about that yesterday. People had some questions about ways around, not needing to wait that long before they can ship into the US with import for export and shipping into Canada. So I think we'll continue to see maybe CMOs take advantage of putting themselves in places to allow for quicker importation around some of those issues. And the regulations are always changing, so it's just good to kind of stay up to date on that, because as I told someone yesterday, just because you get one shipment in doesn't mean the next time it's going to happen if it wasn't the correct way. So I always like that it's a variety of speakers. Obviously it's clinical trial supply, so you would think a lot of supply chain people, but I think there's a good breadth of quality, regulatory, vendors, CMOs, and just kind of getting that different perspective from all the various stakeholders, I think is really great, and making sure that everybody has a chance to talk about their perspective on a topic. For me, it's always good to come and see what the new vendors are. There's always new vendors in the space, and just kind of staying up to date on what's the latest technology, what are the things I need to be thinking about, even outside of my realm within other industries within pharma is always good. Even if I'm not working in it, I think it's really important to be able to learn about that.